it's about 90 Fahrenheit. It's not even noon yet. And I gotta work outside. I mean, I gotta do something about this. Humongous growth. And I gotta tame the dragon. This is why you have a step stool. So there's no way I could work on those trellis. You know, people say, oh, you know, the trellis has to be a certain height. Doesn't matter. It's basically what you're willing to work with. So I have a friend who's, you know, short and her trellis are 4 feet tall. All right, so this one, I wanted to go here. You know, they go for the sun. Oh gosh, I gotta train or cut some. And this one here is a Bruni. So I'm just gonna tape it there with the green tape. At some point, some of the tape you're taking to train the dragons, I'm not gonna need them anymore. So you see here? So I'm gonna be taking this one off.